So बच्चे we were talking about money market and its instruments. Short term market, money market deals with short term securities, and these are the five major instruments of money market. First we have done treasury bill. If government of India wants some loan, then government can issue treasury bill with the help of RBI for raising funds. Then if well reputed company wants some loan, then they can issue their commercial papers. The face value of one commercial paper is 5 lakh rupees. Then bache we have done call money, or it is also called call loans. It can be demanded on mere phone call. Call loan means that loan document the payment for which can be made at a short notice either by the borrower or the lender. This we have done yesterday, and now we are going to do certificate of deposit. What is a certificate of deposits? Certificate of deposit is a negotiable instrument which can be transferred after a certain period by an endorsement. It can be transferred with the help of endorsement. You know what is endorsement? Just taking one thing from one person and just passing it on to another person. It is issued by the scheduled commercial banks. Now, who issues these documents? Commercial banks. If commercial bank needs money, they will issue certificate of deposits. And Indian financial institutions, IDBI, IFCI, ICICI, SIDBI and Exim Bank, etc. Certificate of deposits are issued to individuals, associations, companies, corporations, etc. The face value of the certificate of deposit is a minimum of 5 lakh. The face value is also 5 lakh rupees. One certificate of deposit. And an investor has to got to get certificate of deposits of the minimum amount of 25 lakhs. Means face value of one certificate of deposit is 5 lakh and you have to buy minimum of rupees 25 lakhs. This is also highly secure investment. These are the certificates of deposit issued by banks, and after some time you can endorse it to anyone, and minimum face value is 5 lakh and minimum you have to buy rupees 25 lakh you have to invest in this. So treasury bill is issued by the government of India if they need money. Commercial paper are issued by the well reputed companies if they need money. Call money and call loan is also taken by the banks from each other. And certificate of deposit issued by the banks to any of the individual, association, companies and corporations. And minimum 25 lakh we have to invest in certificate of deposits. Last is which is commercial bills. This you have already studied in 11th standard. It is a negotiable instrument which can be easily transferred. It is used to finance the credit, sales and purchase. Have you studied last year bills receivable and bills payable? Bills of exchange? This is that commercial bill. For credit, sale and purchase. They promote credit, sale and purchase. The maximum time period is less than 1 year. Mostly 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, not more than 6 months. So this is also categorized in the money market instrument. If a person wants to buy some goods and he is not having money, what he will do? He will just write a commercial bill, sign on it and just hand it over to the seller. Then he will purchase the goods on credit. So this is a kind of money market instrument. If you don't have money, you can sign the commercial bill. This is an instrument in which buyer and seller are the individuals. Rest other words government, reputed companies and banks. Any doubt bache? Money market instrument. 5 instruments were there. Now bache we will talk about capital market. Money market is a market where short term securities are dealt, and capital market where transaction in long term securities are made. Transactions in long term securities are made. Transaction in long-term securities are made. So short-term securities money market and long-term securities capital market. What are the main features of capital market? First is बच्चे, it deals in long-term securities. It deals in long-term securities. Okay. First feature is it deals in long-term securities. Then second is it satisfied long-term financial requirement. Long-term financial requirements. It satisfies long-term financial requirements. Then it performs trade-off function. Now, what is trade-off function? It is the nature of the capital market to establish a balance between supply and demand. It creates balance between supply and demand of finance. Okay, बच्चे? Capital market is a market where transactions in long-term securities are made. It deals in long-term securities. It satisfies long-term financial requirements of the company. And then it performs trade-off function, means it creates balance between supply and demand of the finance. It helps in capital formation. It helps in capital formation. Now, what is capital formation? The capital market helps capital formation. The capital market offers opportunities to the people to invest. Investment brings profit to the people. They again invest in it, and this process continues. The increase in the investment in the country is called capital formation. More and more people will invest in the capital of the company, and then capital formation is done. But whatever a person, if a person is buying shares from the company, company will get the permanent capital. These shares will not be returned by the company. If a person X who have purchased the shares want to sell them, then the person will sell those shares to someone else. The person will sell those shares to someone else. Company will never return the value of shares. So if someone have invested in the capital of the company, then company have got the permanent capital. This is called capital formation. The company's capital is formed for forever. It will not be returned. The shares will not be buyback by the company except in special circumstances. Not easily, but if a person have invested in the shares of any company, then capital is formed. Permanent capital of the company is formed. If a person wants to sell those shares, it will be sold to someone else, not to the company back. In this way, capital is formed. It creates liquidity. Liquidity. If a person wants the shares to be converted into cash, if a person wants to convert the shares into cash, he can easily go to capital market and sell his shares. Conversion of shares into cash and conversion of cash into share is liquidity. Basically, conversion of shares into cash, and capital market provide us this scope. So money market is a market where short-term securities are deal, and treasury bill, government of India issues, commercial paper, well-reputed companies issues, call money and certificate of deposits are the documents of banks. And the only difference, this is bank to bank and this is bank to general public also. Commercial bill, it is a document which is used for credit sale and credit purchase. The name commonly is known as bills receivable and bills payable. Bills of exchange is the common name. Then bache capital market. Capital market is a market where the transactions in long term securities are made. It deals in long term securities. It satisfies long term financial requirements. It performs trade off function. Trade off function means balance. It creates balance between demand and supply. Then it helps in capital formation. Permanent capital of the company is formed if someone have purchased the shares of the company. Then it creates liquidity. Liquidity means anytime anyone can convert those shares into cash.